5 mysterious deep-sea sounds scientists can't explain. That's right, today, we're diving into the ocean's depths, where strange, inexplicable sounds echo from places so remote, so untouched they might as well be from another world. Despite decades of study, scientists have only just scratched the surface of these underwater mysteries. Number 1, Julia, a sound with an almost haunting quality, first recorded in 1999. Listen to it now. Julia has sparked countless theories. Many listeners believe it sounds eerily like a massive creature calling out in the depths. This chilling audio was recorded near the coast of South America, in waters that remain largely unexplored. Some believe Julia could be the sounds of underwater volcanic activity, while others are convinced it's the cry of something enormous, something alive. Could it be the sound of an unknown species roaming the ocean floor? Whatever it is, Julia has left an indelible impression on all who've heard it. Number 2, the upsweep, first detected in 1991. This eerie sound has a very particular feature. It seems to increase in intensity every spring and autumn, growing louder before fading. What's going on down there? Listen to it now. Some scientists think this seasonal sound may come from underwater volcanic activity, but because it originates from some of the deepest uncharted regions of the Pacific, no one has been able to verify it. Listen to the upsweep, sped up to capture its strange, almost musical quality. The sound persists, echoing from the Pacific depths each year, keeping its secrets hidden in the ocean's darkness. Number 3, the bloop. A sound so iconic it's been talked about for decades, recorded in 1997 by underwater microphones spread across the Pacific. This sound was so powerful it was heard from over 3,000 miles away. Imagine that, an echoing low-frequency noise that traveled across an entire ocean. Listen to it now. Though some speculate that the bloop is the sound of shifting ice, others have suggested it could be something far larger, far stranger. After all, the bloop was detected close to the area H.P. Lovecraft wrote about as the hiding place of his legendary sea creature, Cthulhu. Theories aside, the sound has no definitive explanation and remains one of the most intriguing mysteries to echo from the ocean floor. Number 4, the train. Recorded in the same year as the bloop in 1997. This one got its name for sounding eerily like a distant train speeding along tracks. It was picked up by a hydrophone array in the Pacific, and though some scientists believe it could be an iceberg scraping the seafloor, others think there's something more to it. Listen to it now. Just imagine a massive, slow-moving sea creature carving through the dark water, or even an underwater machine from an alien world. The origins of the train remain as elusive as ever, an echo lost in the vastness of the deep. Number 5. Slow down. Another unsettling noise that defies simple explanations. Listen to it now. Recorded in 1995. By NOAA, this low-descending frequency seems to drop like a chill through the waters. It's been picked up several times, and scientists think it may be the result of massive ice sheets moving and grinding on the seafloor. But here's the twist. The sound was captured thousands of miles apart, hinting that whatever caused it must be colossal. With its haunting drop, slowed down resonates like a warning echo from a place unseen, and maybe even unknowable. So what do you think? Are these the sounds of shifting ice, volcanic rumbles, or the calls of ancient undiscovered creatures? Each of these 5 recordings, the bloop, upsweep, the train, Julia, and slowdown, offers a tantalizing mystery. Let us know what you believe in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep-sea and alien mysteries. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the unknown. Until next time, keep wondering about what lies beneath.